Hello everybody and welcome back. So today I am going to be unboxing a mystery box for you guys. Oh my gosh. So if you're interested in content like that, be sure to stick around. Hit that subscribe button. Why not? And let's see what's coming in this box.
I gave you my heart.
Okay, you guys, let's take a little look at the box. First, I wanted to show you guys how it came wrapped up. I did open this already because I didn't know who it was from, but this was the outer packaging that it was mailed in, and then of course it had my shipping label on there, and I tore into this like a savage because I was so excited to see what could possibly come in this super adorable packaging. And it is my mystery box from Shop Simply Girly. And look at that. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, how adorable. Okay, so first let's read up a little bit about this box and then we'll get into it. So this is a $10 box. You can get it a one-time box for $10, or you can buy it from Cratejoy and it would be a subscription. It gives you the option to pick your skin tone, which I thought was super amazing. What mystery box can you pick your skin tone for? I've never seen it be done. So that is super awesome. It's a mystery box. No two boxes are the same. So if you order a box 1 month and then you order another one in a couple of days, there'll be 2 separate boxes. That's really awesome. If you check out her Etsy page and you're interested, there are some for a one-time purchase over there on her Etsy. And she also has men's mystery boxes as well. And I've took a peek at those, and those look super awesome too. I saw like watches and wallets and stuff like that in there. So super awesome. All right, so $10 for a box. That's super awesome. I feel like I've said awesome 10,000 times, but I'm just saying, the fact that you can pick your skin tone, so that way, no matter what's set in your box, it will at least like, if not perfectly match your skin tone, it will at least be close enough to where you can use every product in this box. So that's really cool. It says, hello, girlfriend. Thanks for choosing Simply Girly Mystery Box. Don't forget to follow at Shop Simply Girl on Instagram. Right there. I will, of course, link her Etsy down below, her Cratejoy down below, and her Instagram down below. Okay, so one thing did come outside of the box, and this is a daily green tea essence mask. Contains refreshing and moisturizing green tea. It deeply moisturizes and provides a healthy skin. It supplies a concentration of moisture to skin, leaving it hydrated. Yes, I need that right now. And it was made in Korea. I love Korean face masks so much. I feel like they are actually doing something to my skin besides the ones that you can like pick up at like Big Lots or Walmart or something like that. I really don't trust those ones. The ones from Korea, I trust. So that will be nice. That will definitely be going on my face here soon because you guys, I'm dying. Like, if I'm sweating in this video, I'm so sorry about that, but it is going to be the hottest day of the summer today. It's supposed to get up to like 102, I believe it is. And I know for a lot of you guys that are over on the East Coast or down south, that just seems like it's not that hot. But over here on the West Coast, that's hot. Okay? Not used to that kind of temperature. So, I'm dying. All right, let's break into this cute little box. I don't want to unwrap it. It's just so cute. Kiwis. I don't know what it is about kiwis, but I've always thought kiwis are super cute. Okay, okay. I want to keep that. That's so cute. Alrighty. So we're going to open it this way. I don't know. I don't want to rip the box. Oh, okay. So when you open it, you just pull straight up on the lid. And when you open her up, that's what she looks like. It says, thank you for supporting my small business. That is so cute. Oh. And then it has all of her socials on the back, which again, I will link those down below, of course. Okay, first thing right on top. Ooh, earrings. That's so cool. These are definitely not normally my style, but one thing that I absolutely love about mystery boxes is they get you out of your comfort zone and to try something you normally wouldn't. That sounds amazing. Let's try and pop one in really quick. I don't know. I haven't put earrings in a very, very long time, so I don't even know if it'll go in. I used to have my ears pierced twice, but like I said, I normally don't wear earrings because I'm allergic to a lot of metal. I don't know if this will... I might have to get my ears pierced again. Oh my gosh. Really? Oh, there we go. I don't know what's going on with that one over there, but... Ooh! Okay, now I really have to try to get this other one in the other ear because that's scaring me. That's like, I have my tongue pierced, so every once in a while, I'll definitely put my tongue ring in just to make sure that that hole doesn't close up because that hurt pretty bad to get that done. I'm not going through that again. Oh, there we go. Okay. That's cute. Okay, so my thing with hoop earrings that I don't really like is when they're always like trying to like face this way when I want them to lay flat, and I can never get them to lay flat. So the fact that these do, ooh, I like those. Okay, next we have, ooh, yes. When I put nail polish on, I love doing the Barbie pink. So we have some Sally Hansen Insta Dry nail color. And this is in the shade Beating Heart. Not like, it's not B-E-A-T. It's B-E-T. B-E-E-T. Ing. So beating, like a beat. That's an odd name now that I think about it. Okay. Ooh, look at that pinkness right there. Oh yeah. And then it says Insta Dry. Yeah, it's basically already dry. Wow. Okay, cool. Oh, another jewelry. So these ones were by Signature Studio. These are by Wet Seal. I love these cute little bags they come in. They can be reused. Oh, goodness. Come on, Kyla. Is it Kyla proof? There we go. Nope. That's pretty. Those little dangly thingies. Wow. That's cute. Aw, I love it. Okay, wow, we still have quite a bit left in here. So let's go with this one first. This is by Splash. Dare to Make Waves. Wave liner. Lip defining liner. Yay, I have 2 now. This is in the shade Orange. Okay, it does need to be warmed up a little bit. But when it gets warmed up, there it is. It's showing up like a very bright neon orange on camera, but it's not that bright here in person. Which is good, because I don't want like neon orange lining my lips, but having a little bit darker tone orange on my lips would be fine. So that is more of like, in person, it's more of like a coral orange. Like a peach, kind of, is what it's looking like over here. So cool, I like that. And then we have I'm guessing this is a lipstick from Revlon. I love how it's so nicely packaged, sealed. Okay, So from Revlon, this is in the shade Power Move. Uh-oh. The top of it did get smushed a little bit, but that just happened in transit because obviously you guys just watched me unpackage it. Ooh, that's like a dark purpley mauve. Let me see if I can spread that out a little bit more so you can see more of the color. There we go. I piled it a lot on right off the beginning, but there it is. I should wait because I do want to try this stuff on. So I got excited. Okay, and then last but not least, we have, I believe this is a single eyeshadow. Yeah, it's a matte eyeshadow by Maybelline, and this is in Morning Dove. And again, it's sealed up. That's what it looks like inside of there. Ooh, that's a very light, how would I explain this color? Like, it's showing up gray on camera, but I don't know if that's what I would call it. Like a very slight hint of purple in there, maybe? There we go. All right, so let's do a quick recap really quick, and then I will try everything on my face. So we got the green tea face mask. We got these so adorable earrings, which I'm not normally an earring person, but I'm kind of digging these. And then we got this necklace, and these little tassel-y things move, so that's cute. We got this Maybelline single eyeshadow in the shade, what was it again? Morning Dove. We got the Revlon lipstick in the shade Power Move. We got this lip liner in Splash Wave Liner in orange. We got the nail polish in the shade Beating Heart, and that's what it looks like on the nail. Am I missing anything? Necklace, earrings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 7 products for $10. IPSY who? And these are all full size. These are all full size products. What do you guys think? Is this better than IPSY? I don't know. Alrighty, let's try some of this on. So first, let's pop on a lip liner. I need a mirror. My full body mirror, it got broken and during the move, so okay. And then at the end, I will talk about what my favorite product in the box was and what my least favorite product in the box is once we try it all out. Ooh, that's dark. Let's diffuse that a little bit. See? You diffuse it out a little bit. If you have a lipstick that's just like a tad bit too dark, but you really like the formula or you really like the color of it, but it's just a tad bit too dark, diffuse it with the makeup brush really quick. And then, yeah, looks good. All right, and then we'll pop a little bit of this on my lid. If I can find a brush, clean brush to put it on with. This brush is almost at the end of its rope. This is a brush we got in our BoxyCharm, and this is the Luxie Large Shader. It's that one that went from like the yellowish to the pink. Okay. Let's do that one, and then I want to pop this. Which one? I'm gonna go with this one. This is the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in Weenie. I just want to pop a little bit of that into my inner corner. There we go. I'm a huge person when it comes to a pet peeve of my eyeshadows not matching up or something like that. And then I'm going to pop on a quick mascara. I like this because the eyeshadow is kind of lighter, so that really makes the focus go to the lips. So I think that's really cool every once in a while to just have it go to your lips. Okay, and then of course I'm going to be trying the sheet mask out later. It's from Korea. I love it already. I don't need to try it. So let's talk about my favorite product and my least favorite product. My favorite product would probably have to be the lipstick. I like it. I like that color. My least favorite product, well, it would kind of have to be a tie between the earrings and the lipstick, honestly. I'm loving these. They're just something new and different, and I like it because either it could be on this side and it looks good, but if it flips around, that's cute too. I like them. My least favorite product would have to be the pencil. I did have to warm it up quite a bit to get it to work. But other than that, I like the color. So, yeah, that was everything in my Shop Simply Girly mystery box. What do you guys think? I don't know. I feel like this was kind of better than IPSY. Like, yeah, I know IPSY, you get like a lot of the higher like luxury brand products in there. But most of the time, they're like itty bitty, teeny tiny little samples that you can only use like once or twice. These are all full size, and they're all really good products. Revlon, Maybelline, Sally Hansen. You get jewelry. I don't know. You guys let me know down below what you guys thought about this box, and I will make sure and link her Etsy, her Cratejoy, her Instagram, and her Facebook down below so you guys can get into contact with her. Check out her store. She's super awesome. I've talked to her quite a bit on Facebook already, and she's just so sweet and so nice. So that's all I have for you guys today. I love you guys so very much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.